Okay, so you have to introduce yourself in 10 lines.
In
10 lines.
Okay.
We want to know how much do you know about yourself. So you have to speak continuously 10 lines about yourself.
Yeah, first of all, hello and good morning everyone. This side Pankaj, and I have recently completed my graduation from JC Watch University in computer application, and nowadays I am seeking for an opportunity as a aspiring software developer, and my hobbies are playing cricket and playing chess, and my strength is I am very adaptable and I am very agile, and as I said, I want to become a software developer. So nowadays I am looking for that. And my family background is there are 5 members in my family. We are 3 siblings, and 2 is my parents, and I live in Ballamgarh. That is.
Okay, thank you very much. He has introduced himself very well. Okay. So as you want to be a software developer and you have done your graduation in the computers, so today there was a time when language used to be the key. It means language were used to create the softwares, but the same languages are used by AI.
Yes.
For an example, C, C++. So nowadays I can give order to the AI if I have got the paid subscription of that, and it is going to create a software or the thing I want. So now tell us where the role of the IT professionals come in present or future.
Yes, nowadays, as we all know, AI is going in boon, and we all are helping. We are all are taking the help of the AI. But AI is just like assisting us. It is not a proper way. Like it cannot create a logic as a human can create. So humans play a very important role in every field. As I'm talking about the software, but it might be somewhere less interact humans, because AI is doing very rapidly many works. So humans involvement are going day by day very less, but it cannot think about out of box like human can think about out of box.
Good answer, very good answer.
As you mentioned, you are adaptable person. I have a question for that. Can you talk about the time when you had to learn a new skill or technology quickly?
Yes, during my college, I was a part of some society in my college. So that time, I used to manage my time for making some kind of digital poster. So in my college, I have learnt a number of skills in my soft skills in my college. So it was a time when I was a very adaptable, and I learnt a number of language or soft skills.
Which skill that you learned?
Yeah, I learned like leadership skills and teamwork skill, because I was a part of a NGO. So where I have learnt some kind of management skills, how to connect with people, how to engage among people. So this kind of skills I have learnt.
Can you give an example of a time when you went above and beyond what was expected of you? Suppose you were given a task and somebody thought you can do it, but you did that better than expectation. You pushed the limits.
Yeah, during my college days, when I was where I got a project where there were 2 members. First is me, and second one is another member in my team. So that time teacher assigned me a task, and you have to do this task by own self. So that time teacher was expecting less from me, but I did in a very efficient and very proper and good manner. So it was a time when I did beyond my limit. I pushed my limit beyond as I can do.
How do you see grammar in spoken English?
Yeah, grammar play a very important role in spoken English, because it can be make your English somewhere blunder, because if you are not using your grammars very well, like we are talking about present and you are talking about past, so it might be distract and it might be confuse people.
Okay.
What's your greatest achievement?
Yeah, my greatest achievement when I was in college, so I went to Mumbai for a hackathon. So that time I got seventh rank among the 370 teams. So it was my greatest achievement.
Okay. So next question.
Yes, sir.
What role does family play shaping the life of child?
Yeah, family play a very crucial role of shaping the life of child, because if you don't have the support of your family, so how can you build yourself? How can you upgrade yourself? Because somewhere if you are lacking and you are suffering from some kind of things, but you have a good family support, so your family is supporting you, like you can do it. Just you have to give your hard work, your 100%. So family play a very important role in shaping the life of child.
Are you a keen observer?
Yes, somewhere I am keen observer.
Okay, is there anything in your college, family, or anywhere else where you observed the thing earlier than the other people, and you did something precautionary, or you awared people about that?
Yes, when I was in college, so as I said, I am a keen observer. So I easily find the difference between people, like which people are dear to us and which are not dear to us. So that time I was early aware about it.
Okay, so you told your friends you have to be aware about these people or that particular person.
Yes.
If you are hired right at the moment, what would be your reaction?
My reaction was like such में my reaction would be like I will be definitely more happy, like as I'm not getting any opportunity from anywhere, so I will be feel very happy and it would be my cheeriest moment that time.
Would you have a thought like I did not like deserve this post, but I got it? Would you have kind of feeling that I did not deserve, but I got it?
No, I have not feel that.
Okay, thank you very much.